everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So I will be solving multiple choice questions where you have to select two letters out of five options. So you can see from A to E options are there. We have to select two letters. Otherwise we have normally a multiple choice question with A to D and we have to select only one option. Now uh, for this reading, we have already done two types of question, that is which paragraph contains the following information, and the second question we have done this complete the summary, this fill in the blanks. I have explained how to find correct answers with the help of the words before and after the blank. That will help you to get correct answer in fill in the blanks. You can watch my previous video, just previous video. Okay, and here we will be doing this multiple choice question where we have to select two letters. Okay, so what should be the reading strategy to solve multiple choice question? So I'm sharing you IELTS reading tips and tricks. First, don't read all the options. Okay, I will be telling you why I have done this. Okay, uh, I will try to understand the question statement. Okay, which two statements are true concerning the removal of graffiti? So this is my keyword. I will try to find this keyword in the paragraph. Since I have already read full passage, all paragraphs to find these six options, so I am already aware where they were talking about removal of graffiti. Okay, but those who do not read the reading passage thoroughly, I'm telling for those. Okay, so how will you find this, only this removal of graffiti? Definitely here you can select some important keywords that they can't change. They means like I'm talking about a writer can't change these words, means they can't use he cannot use synonym of these words, like cocktail, what he will be using instead of cocktail. So water treatment, a small patch trial. If you are not getting small, then patch or trial may be there. Every word they can't change. Chemical treatments, of course, chemical word they can't change. Okay, mechanical removal. So these words we can try to find in any paragraph, but I know the location of this removal of graffiti. I will straight away go to that paragraph. See this. To remove graffiti, in this paragraph they are talking about there are a variety of methods that are used to remove graffiti. I can see cocktail word over here. So why I have done, because when I was reading for another type of question, I already done these marking. Okay, these under somewhere I am doing underline the thing, somewhere I am doing circle the things. Okay, so cocktail word is also there, chemical word is also there. So we will try to read. So paragraph, this C paragraph have two paragraphs. Okay, so let's read it. We are looking for which statements are true concerning the removal of graffiti. Okay, broadly, these divide between chemical and mechanical system. Chemical preparation are based on dissolving the media. These solvents can range from water to potential hazardous chemical cocktails. So, chemical word is also there, water is also there. So, let's try to find whether this statement is true or wrong. Cocktail removal can be safer than water treatment. So, cocktail. These solvents can range from water to potentially hazardous chemical cocktails. Now they have started talking about mechanical. So it means here it is given cocktail removal can be safer than water treatment. So this is not given, means this is false. Here it is not given like that chemical removal is safer than water treatment. It means this statement is wrong. Okay, next, small patch trial before applying large scale of removing. So here they are talking, so small patch trial in this paragraph, nothing is there. So mechanical word is there. Chemical treatment, mechanical. Mechanical removals are much more applicable than chemical treatment. So here also some comparison. Mechanical systems such as wire, grit, blasting attempt to abrade or chip the media from the surface. Care should be taken to comply with health and safety legislation with regard to protection of both passers carrying out cleaning. Okay, so nothing is matching with any of this. So next paragraph we can read. Operatives should follow product guidelines in terms of application and removal and wear the appropriate protective equipment. And measures should be taken to ensure that runoff do not threaten unprotected members of the public. When examining a graffiti incident, it is important to assess the ability of the substrate to withstand the prescribed treatment. If there is any doubt regarding that, okay. So okay, if there is any, so nothing is matching till now, I don't think so. No comparison is also not there. Many mechanical removal are much more applicable than chemical. So because chemical and mechanical preparations here they are talking, but nothing is compared. So this also we can are much more applicable than chemical treatment. This is also wrong. Chemical treatments are more expensive way of removing. So chemical treatment they are talking here, but nothing is given about whether these treatments are most expensive way of removing. This is also wrong. Now we have left B and D. Let's find where they are. Small patch trial, and there are risk for both chemical and medical method. Okay. Care should be taken to comply with health and safety legislation with regard to protection of both passers-by and any person carrying out the cleaning. But exactly it is not given. So yes, if there is any doubt regarding this, let's read the other part of this paragraph. Here it is given, if there is any doubt regarding, then small word is there, trial word is also there, should be undertaken to assess the impact of more extensive treatment. Small patch trial before applying large scale of removing, this definitely will come. And there are risk for both chemical and medication method. Okay, so here medication method. Medication word I have not found anywhere. Chemical word is there. I think they have done it wrong word here. Chemical and mechanical method they may be talking. So care should be taken to comply with health and safety legislation with regard to the protection of both passers and, so it means they are talking about there are risk for both chemical and mechanical method. So this also we can select because all three were not matching anything in the paragraph. Now next question. So before doing my next question, please subscribe and like my channel. So thank you so much in advance. Okay, next question here, question number 9 and 10. Of course, instructions are same. We have to choose two letters. Now let's read the question statement. Which two of the following preventive measures against graffiti are mentioned effectively in the passage? Now we need to find preventive measures against graffiti. Okay, so where we have got the location of a 7-8 questions. So after that we will get the location. So I will show you. Now in this paragraph we have got this location, this also. So in next paragraph I can see preventive strategies. Okay, so what the question statement was saying, which two of the following preventive measures against graffiti. So variety of preventive strategies. So just learn the synonyms side by side when you are practicing, when you are doing practice for IELTS reading. So measures, strategies can be adopted to combat a, see this beautiful words for IELTS writing task 2 also, problem and solution kind of essay. Okay, can be adopted to combat a recurring problem of graffiti at a given site. So this is, you can adopt this for solution problem and solution essay. Problem of graffiti at a given site. As no two sites are same, no one set of protection measures will be suitable for all situation. Okay, each site must be looked at individually. Surveillance systems such as closed circuit television may also help. It means they are talking about this. In cities, towns around the country, predominantly cameras have been shown to reduce this, to reduce social behavior, all types. Security patrols will also act as deterrent to prevent recurring attacks. So they have given cameras, surveillance system, camera, television and all, and security patrol. Patrol means police kind of thing they are talking. However, the cost here in next paragraph they are talking about cost, but we are looking for what can be done to stop graffiti. Let's read. Organize more anti-graffiti movement in the city communities. So this is not explained like that. This sentence structure, this idea is not there in this paragraph. So I will cut it. Increase the police patrol on the street. Security patrols. See this. Patrol word is there. Patrol. This is not patrol. Vehicle patrol is not. This is patrols. Patrolling, police patrolling. Will also act as a deterrent to prevent recurring attacks. Increase the police patrol. So this we can select. If each and every word we will not get in these paragraphs, these readings. Okay, just idea you have to just pick it up and you can match the things. Yes, indirectly they are talking about increase the police patrol on the streets. Okay, build a new building and with material rappelling to water. So this is also not given, not explained. This idea is also not explained in this paragraph. So next one, installing more visible security cameras. So this is, yes, throughout the paragraph they were talking surveillance systems, televisions, prominently placed cameras and all should be there. So cameras option we will select, and next also we can read provide a whole new surface with chemical coat. This is all, this idea is also not there in this paragraph. So we have selected two options. So this way we can do all correct answers for multiple choice questions and you can easily get 9 band scores in IELTS reading.